Here is how to enroll your device into SHO. My name is Devin Wright, Product Solution Specialist, and today we'll be going over how to enroll your device into SHO. You will need to have that device already connected to the network, whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, but once that's done, go ahead and open up the SHO application and you'll be greeted to this setup page. There's going to be a few steps we will need. We'll start with number one, which is visit sho.getcleardigital.com in your browser or scan the QR code with your mobile phone to go to the login page. The next step is to, of course, log in with your credentials. Within this login page, I'll go ahead and do so as well. I'll select login, and we're going to be greeted to the dashboard. Now, I'll go ahead and go full screen here. And we'll, of course, navigate the website together. Our third step is to select the Device Management tab on the left-hand side, then select the Add Device button on the top right of the website. We're going to be entering in that 4-digit code that was displayed earlier. So let's go ahead and do so. That code was 6091. Perfect. Now, as we take a look at our device that I have behind me, you will see after I will add it, it will of course be reaching out and looking for a playlist that is ready to be received. Now, once I've added this, there's going to be, of course, a page for me to enter in my device name, as well as what group I would like to have it associated with. We'll type in Devin's device and we'll select save. Now this device is ready to be, of course, assigned to a playlist. We'll cover that in the later video. For more tips and tricks, feel free to follow our YouTube channel.